Namaskar dosto. Today is 4th October 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on daily basis on this specific video I disclose my trade plan for the Nifty for the coming trading session, review my today's trade and share my learning in MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Sorry for the long hold in between. I was in travel and somewhere couldn't manage to post videos on daily basis. So here I'm back again, and let's hope that I will continue with my discipline of posting my trade plan on daily basis out here. So before we get into, so this is a monthly wrap video for Lalaji, delayed by one day, but let's see what we have in store for us. So before we get into Lalaji, let's have a very quick look into our global market. So when we look into global market, what we see is that S&P 500 is still looking little weak. So on weekly chart, last week was not a good week, as well as this week also, the start is not looking positive. And now it is below 8 and below 20 on weekly chart, as well as on daily chart we see that it is still hovering below 50-20 in 8 bar moving average. So this is definitely not a good sign. And when we look into I'm sorry, when we look into US government 10 bond yield, we see that US government 10 bond yield has now crossed 200 bar moving average and is definitely trying to move up, but now at around 1.48. So definitely not a good sign, but not very high level, so it's all right. And dollar index is going down, which is definitely a good sign for a bank nifty for India and as well as for emerging market. So dollar index is going down, but S&P is going down, and US government 10 bond yield is going up. So this is not a very clear trend or a signal which we are getting from global indicators. Let's see what we have in store for our local indicator. So when we look into bank nifty, we see that bank nifty from past 4 week is definitely consolidating, and the consolidation looks like gonna continue. But on weekly chart, definitely it is an uptrend. On daily chart, we see that bank nifty on last Friday taken a support on 20 bar moving average and has moved up, and now it has closed above 20, just below 8 and above 50. So definitely an uptrend. Now for bank nifty for this month has a very good support at 36,927. After 36,927, we have a good support at 37,225, and above that 37,415 looks like a good support. On top side, it has a now resistance at 37,755 and 38,000 and 38,151. So these are the critical levels for bank nifty. And when we look into HDFC Bank, we see that HDFC Bank has closed today again above 20 and above 50. So definitely an uptrend, but it has formed a weak reversal pattern. So this is my engage reversal pattern one. It's a perfect week. So HDFC Bank is definitely looking little weak here. And now it has a good support at 1574. If 1574 is broken, then the next support will come at 1533. And on top side, it has a very strong resistance at 1610. And if 1610 is gone, then the for this month the first target is at 1629, and after 1629 it may look forward to touch 1676. So HDFC Bank is looking little weak here with the weak reversal setup which was formed today. And Motabai is almost formed a doji today, but still running in super trend and about 20 and above 8. So definitely an uptrend. Now it has a very good support at 2500 level. So Reliance is looking quite good, but now doji is formed here and it is at top. So this is also not very clear in which direction this is going. So even the local indicators are somewhere not giving very clear signal. So now let's have a look into Lalaji. Now when we look into Lalaji, we see that Lalaji on a weekly chart, the last week was a red week, a red bar. This is a clear cut extreme reversal setup 2 which was formed, but it took a support on monthly pivot and moved up, and now 8 bar moving average is at 17315. So weekly chart definitely in uptrend, and my gut feeling is that it will consolidate here for some time. So uh, on weekly chart definitely in uptrend. Now when we look on daily chart, we see that now Lalaji has a very good support at 17370. After 17370, the next good support will come at 17450. Then above 7450, a very good support is at 17530, which is a combination of monthly pivot, my blue magical line, and monthly L3. And on top side, it will have now good resistance at 17,864. And after 17,864, a strong resistance will come at 17,950, which is combination of my blue and black magical line. And if 17,950 is broken, then we may see 18,109 in this particular month. So I use a fairly simple trade setup. If you want to know more about my trade setup, then please check out my video called Trade Setup Explanation on my YouTube channel Trade Plan Nifty. But on daily chart, it is now closed below 8 but above 20, so definitely in uptrend. On 15-minute chart, we see that Lalaji has closed below 200, below 8 and just below 20. So definitely a slightly not very clear because just below 8 and 20, but theoretically change of trend can be seen here. But interesting thing which happened today was that today market didn't even touch the pivot. So this is a sign of a very strong bull market. Now it all depends upon tomorrow where the opening is going to happen. So when we see SGX as of now, it is at 17,624. So which is definitely below the pivot. So 17,624 will happen somewhere here. So just above my black magical line and above 50 bar moving average. So if tomorrow the open is below pivot, which is at 17,675, then idea is sell on rise at pivot for a target of 17,530 and look for a reversal to go take another entry on upside. And if the open is above pivot, which is at 17,675, then idea is again to buy a dip, which is at pivot 17,676, and L3 is at 17,644. So closer to weekly pivot, which is at 17,643 for a target of 17,802. So tomorrow all depends upon where the market will open. Again, the pivot is very narrow, so it could be a trending day also. So let's see how it goes. So please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. If the open is above pivot, buy on dip, and if it open is below pivot, which looks like the scenario, then idea is sell on rise for a target of 17,530 and look for a reversal pattern at 7,530 for again an entry for a swing trade on upper side. Now let's see what happened today. So on Friday I did took some trade. I was carrying two lots with me and market went up, and then somewhere on this red bar I exited my first lot, and then I exited my second lot on this particular red bar. Then I again made an entry on these three green bars. So I made one entry here, second entry here, and one lot here. And eventually I exited both the lot here, and I'm carrying one lot home with me. So this is my number of orders which I've taken today, and this is my position 70,000 plus with one position home. So idea is that I will carry that position for me. If the open is below pivot, then I will wait for market to come up and square off, or I will exit if the market closes below previous day low. So that's my trade plan. So what's the learning? Learning is now Corona is gone. My traveling is going to start, and if I want to uh, do my if I want to run this channel and as well as do a trading, then I need to get very disciplined. So wish me a best luck, and I'm again be on the road the whole week, but I'm gonna get very disciplined in terms of my videos and my trade. So let's see if I can execute this in coming week. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.